In the last 5 years of running Back to the Body retreats, I feel that one of the common themes that we've seen is the opportunity for women to reconnect with authentic sexuality. What we're fed as youth in our culture is sort of fear-based, and what we want and need to cultivate healthy individuals, healthy relationships, and healthy communities is a deeper level sex education where we encourage people to explore and to utilize the abundance of energy, our inner pharmacy, as Pamela refers to it, so that we as all people, men and women, but we're working with women, can feel more empowered in their sexuality.